Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video, and on today's video we're going to pick up this mystery car. This mystery car for my dad. Y'all gonna see it in a minute. I don't know if I'm gonna be allowed to video at the people's house just for privacy reasons and stuff. So after we get the car loaded up and everything, I brought the folder because the car has some flats on it, and this car is gonna be a race car. So it'll be my dad's little race car, and we got a couple of things coming for it, so y'all just get ready. It's gonna be another little project for the video, for the videos and for the channel. I think it'll be fun. It's not a Camaro, so don't even think about it. Look at this clean ass Chevy Silverado right here. This thing's clean. All right, anyway, we're about to go pick it up. It's a steel. It doesn't look the best, like paint cosmetically wise, but we're about to go find out. So anyway, here we go.
Get it.
Right on the
Yeah, I see it.
the dovetail. All right, let's go
This?
back a little bit and then
Well,
go.
this also.
What's it? The
This.
drive shaft?
This.
That's fine. That
Oh,
shit, that
never
shit
mind.
matter. Ready? We're gonna let it roll back a little bit more, and then we'll go up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, power.
I'd say you're good.
Yeah.
Close enough, I like it.
Whew.
Are we gonna bother strapping it down? We're just gonna let it ride.
What? All right, guys. So we have picked up the vehicle, and well, oh, you already saw it. It's a Fox body. I bought my dad a 1990 Fox body Mustang. The front clip is not on the car. It's actually right here in the bed of my truck. We got the front bumper, the hood, one of the fenders, and then we got the other fender up inside of the car over here. The car used to be red, as you can tell. It looks like this car is plastic dipped, so I might be able to take all of this stuff off of it and it be red again at some point. Like the wheels are plastic dipped too. That's weird. But anyway, the doors have been gutted already, as you can see. It needs a windshield, but it has a windshield, so it can run if it wants. This car used to have a, looks like red interior. Here's one of the fenders. It has a hole. There's some rust on that fender right there, but it's not a big deal. It literally has a race fuel cell right here. Looks like a 10-gallon fuel cell right there, which is pretty dope. It has the back seats. It does not have a front seat. It has a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder parts, but this is a true GT car. Wow, this window is shattered. it got shot by a BB gun. Close it. You can close it. I just noticed that window shattered. You see it?
Yep, look. It's really bad
Don't step on that. That shit's bend. They bend like a motherfucker.
So you guys are running down. For today, act quick. This is going hot. 1999. Place your bids in. We'll close at midnight tonight. All sales will be final later. Shoot your shot.
Oh, you heard that? You heard it first here on Ryan's channel. Anyway, this is a true GT car. The Mustang GT. Ford. We don't need this because race car. And it went so fast already that it debeated a tire, bro. Bro, this doesn't even look like this tire was for the same era as this car, honestly. This tire looks like 10 times older.
That's 36 psi.
We don't need that stuff.
Then we go get something else.
But the firewall has been
Purple smoothie.
messed with. I don't know what they did to it, but they did something. Apparently this car was fixed up for an LS. They had an LS in here at one point in its life, which is good because that's exactly what's going back into it. So anyway, I hope my dad likes it. It's really not. It's just dirty, honestly. Once we clean it up, it'll look a lot better. And I gotta put all the parts back on it, the front clip and all that. But other than that, it's clean. Thank God I brought the four-wheeler because there was no way we were about to roll this thing out from the backyard with a flat like that. I brought the four-wheeler. It was smart thinking. Oh, hey, we lost a strap. Damn.
I mean, she ain't gonna go anywhere.
Yeah, it is. God damn it, Ryan. I thought you strapped it good.
That was Justin.
Hold this.
That was Justin.
I ain't know.
Damn, you lost all my gray straps.
Hey, Justin.
Be like that.
You know what they say? You don't have that on these big jobs. Gotta do the pan out.
Be like, oh, we lost the strap.
How do I press pause? Yo, here. Hey, pause this shit.
Alright guys, so we're right here about to reach my dad's house and we're gonna show him the car and tell him happy birthday because it's kind of like a late birthday present. His birthday was last month, but I happened to find this month and I don't know. He's an OG Fox Body guy and I figured he'd like it, so here we are about to deliver him his personal, new to him, 1990 Fox Body hatch bag. So anyway, we're about to arrive here at the house right there where you can see all the trees at on the left. That's his house. I don't know if he's inside or outside. He's probably outside. But we're about to pull into the house right now.
Yep. He's outside? No, he's not. I just heard it scream. Let me get out.
with it.
No, I got the rest of it. I got everything else.
Yeah, yeah.
It had an LS in it at one point.
That's what it had?
Yeah. They did the firewall on it and stuff. It has a fuel cell in it. Only one tire's flat? Yeah. Thank God I brought the four-wheeler. We would have never got this car out of there. Alright guys, so we just got here to the car wash. This is the next day. That's why I'm wearing a different shirt. Anyway, we brought the car to the car wash so we could clean it up and get all the like green algae that was growing up on top of the car. And well, here he is going to work on his new vehicle. It's probably going to be faster than mine just because it's a Fox body and it's super light. But we're cleaning it off. This is plasti dip on top of the car. The car is actually red. So eventually we're going to get all the plasti dip off of it, hopefully. But it's really thin coats of plasti dip, so this stuff is going to be a pain to get off. But it's coming off right now. Look, all the green stuff's coming off the car. As you can see it on my hand. And well, this tire went flat on the way home. And we're going to take all these side skirts, the GT side skirts off, and we're going to make it look like an LX car. Even though the GT is like the higher package, we just don't really like the ground effects that the GTs came with of this year. But anyway guys, we're getting new tail lights ordered. Everything's getting ordered very, very soon. This thing's gonna be dope. Hope y'all enjoy it. Like always guys, like, comment, subscribe, leave a thumbs up. Have a freaking awesome day, and let me know down in the comments what you think about the new project for my dad. Happy birthday, Dad. Love you. Bye.